Welcome. In this video, we're walking through how to turn on mentions and replies notifications that are tailored just for you on X, the platform we all know as Twitter. If you've recently noticed new options in your notification settings, that's part of the latest update, and it's designed to help you stay connected to the conversations that actually matter to you. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to x.com. Once you're on your homepage, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a list of icons, including the Notifications tab. Click on that. This is where all your activity from other users shows up, from likes and reposts to tags and mentions. Now, after opening Notifications, look toward the top right corner or the side panel for the Settings option. Click on it to access your notification controls. From there, enter the section labeled Preferences. You'll see several options that allow you to fine-tune how you receive updates. Next, click on Push Notifications. This is where you can decide what types of alerts you want to receive when you're on your computer or other synced devices. Scroll down until you find the category that says Related to You and Your Posts. Under that, locate Mentions and Replies. Here's where the new feature comes in. You'll notice a setting called Tailored for You. Select this option. What it does is prioritize notifications that are most relevant to your activity, showing you mentions and replies from people or topics that align closely with your interests and interactions. It helps reduce background noise so you're not overwhelmed by every notification, only the ones that truly count. Once you've selected Tailored for You, that's it. Your notification preferences will automatically update. From now on, you'll receive smarter alerts that match your engagement habits on X. And that's how easy it is to set up mentions and replies notifications tailored to your experience. Thanks for watching.